In this video, we will talk about how to download and install Visual C++ Redistributable in Windows 11. Right-click and open any browser. In address bar, type Visual C++ Redistributable and press Enter. Click on this search result. Scroll down as we want all version. Click on this option. Here, you have to select the link as per your bit version. To check your system type, click on Start icon. Open Settings. On the left side, click on System. Scroll down, click on About. Here, you can see your system type. As I have 64-bit operating system, I am selecting this option. If you're using 32-bit operating system, select x86. On the top right, click on Open. Accept license terms and conditions. Click on Install. Click on Yes. Then click on Close. So that's how you can download and install Visual C++ Redistributable in Windows 11. See you in the next video.